So this activity 3 is a running message using Arduino. The major components of this activity is the breadboard, the Arduino Uno, the potentiometer, the LCD which is the 16 by 2, and the resistor which is the 220 ohms. So first thing to do in this activity is to go to the Google Chrome and then search the tinkercad.com and then log in. And then click the circuit and then create a new circuit. And then after that, you will be able to create the running message using Arduino. Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's all set up here the different components of this activity. The running message using Arduino. Okay, there are different components. Okay, first component is the Arduino Uno. Okay, Arduino Uno, this one. The next is the breadboard. Okay, this one is the breadboard. And the next is the LCD, which is the 16 by 12. Okay, you are the one to decide which components you will be able to put. Okay, the next is the potentiometer. I will be able to put this potentiometer already in the breadboard. The next is the resistor, which is the 220 ohms. Okay, don't forget the unit, it is already ohms. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, the next is connect the 5 volts of the Arduino connected to the positive of the breadboard. Okay, I will change it into color red. Okay, if there is a positive, there is also a negative. Okay, the ground of the Arduino connected to the negative of the breadboard. Okay, this one. Okay, we'll change it into color black. And then connect the positive to positive of the breadboard, and then also the negative to negative of the breadboard. Okay, the first terminal of the potentiometer connects to the positive of the breadboard, and this white term connected to the contrast. Okay, and this terminal 2 is connected to the negative of the breadboard. Okay, change it into color red. Okay, this one is the terminal 2 is the color red jumper wire. Okay, the connection of the ground from the LCD to the breadboard. So the power of the LCD connects to the positive side of the breadboard. So well done. Okay, so we've done the connection of this potentiometer. So the next is okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, you will be able to choose what is your color of your jumper wire. It is easy to understand if you put the different negative cathode of the breadboard, and the lead anode will be the positive connection of the resistor. Okay, this one is color blue. Okay, the next thing is the code. Okay, let's erase this. Okay. the code